got here a Mobi 100 amp hour lithium battery. So it's the Mobi Outdoors. It's 12.8 volts. And it's a single unit in here. So let's go ahead and open this box up and check it out. So right up the top here, we've got our battery terminals just there. So they're not physically attached to the battery. Looks like on the top of the battery here, we've actually got a little LCD display, so that's kind of cool. So it's showing the battery capacity, and it looks like we can switch to the battery voltage or off. So that's pretty cool, especially in a battery at this price to have that on there. It'd be interesting to see how accurate it is. Lift that out of the box. That's all that's in the box, there's nothing else. And that there is the battery. So, as we can see, it's the Mobi Outdoor Lithium LiFePO 400 amp hour battery. We've got those battery terminals just here. So, I'll whip those out and attach them. It's interesting that there's no MSDS or any other safety kind of paperwork or anything like that with it, which usually even the cheapest of these cheap batteries does come with. So hit that button, we've got our battery capacity. It's showing at 88% out of the box. Press this one, switches to voltage. You can see that's 12.8 volts, and press it again, that's off. That's it. That's all that indicator gives us. So all in all, it's not bad for a very low cost battery. I'll be interested to see how it actually performs. And I hope you found this video helpful. Be sure to like it and also subscribe to my channel for more videos like this from me. Bye for now.